Hi friends, welcome to my next video, and the video is about Chembl database. So Chembl database, it's a manually curated database of chemical compounds which is being used by bioinformaticians and chemoinformaticians to explore the drug based on its bioactivity and drug-like properties. So in this video, I will explore the Chembl database and show you how to search the data with respect to drug-like molecule. So moving towards the introduction, Chembl or the Chembl DB is a manually curated chemical database of bioactivity molecules with its drug-like property, as I previously told. It is maintained by European Bioinformatics Institute of European Molecular Biology Laboratory, that is EMBL, based on the Wellcome Trust of Genome Campus, Huntingdon, UK. The Chembl database contains compound bioactivity data against its drug targets, and this bioactivity data is based on Ki, Kd values, IC50 value, and EC50 values. So this data can be filtered and analyzed to develop a compound by screening the library for a lead identification during the drug discovery process. Chembl coverage of available bioactivity data has grown to become the most comprehensive ever seen in the public database. So Chembl database can be accessed via web interface, or you can download this data by FTP protocol, that is file transfer protocol. It is formatted in the manner so that to computerize the data mining and attempts to standardize the activity between the different publications and to enable comparative analysis. Chembl is also integrated into other large-scale chemistry resources, including the PubChem database and ChemSpider system of Royal Society Chemistry. So recently, the Chembl has released, that is last updated on 2025-18, which consists of 13,382 targets, that is drug target responsible, and 19,61,462 distinct compounds for any type of disease. Whereas, and it contains an activity of 1 crore 60 lakh 66,124, and their publications 76,086, and their related data set in the form of database which consists of 65. So here I will explore you to the Chembl database. So just in Google search, type Chembl database and you will find this link. Click on this link and you will find this web page, that is, this is a home page of the Chembl database. This is the search option. I have taken the remdesivir drug, that is previously it is used for the Ebola virus, and now recently it is being used for the COVID-19. So just search here and you will get the hit. You will get two results. Okay, just explore by clicking this and you will get the structure of the compound, the Chembl ID, which is very important, remdesivir, that is a name, and the phase of that compound, molecular formula, molecular weight, and here is the information of that drug, from which source it has been taken. All this you can explore by searching the particular target. Again, I have to show you some interesting about this particular database. If you search by any particular search, that is SARS-CoV, you will get number of compounds which is available, that is 399 results are there, and compounds are 228, and there are two targets which are the assays they have used, in how many cell lines they have been tested, that is bioactivity property and drug-like property. So you can directly download the CSV file or TSV file, even SDF files you can download from here. So this is nice. You can download a large set and you can move for the large library for identification of which is the drug-like compound among this best, and you can generate a virtual library of this compound. Even you can search by any cancer type. For example, breast cancer I have searched here and I got 348 compounds. I can directly search and I can directly download this file like a CSV file. So you can see the activity, GI50 value, IC50 value, ED50 value, EC50 value, inhibition factor, Ki value, and others. This all information you can get directly for the any particular drug target, and you can move for the large virtual laboratory study or lead identification and move for the drug discovery process by searching this type of particular drug targets or any keywords you have. So Chembl database is very important database for your research and publication. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you.